All right, we're leaving Roosevelt. So the big deal today is I fished the Tonto end of Lake Roosevelt. It's very flooded now from all the rain and snow we've had this winter. You can kind of see it. I've been wanting to fish it for a long time. I was concerned about how deep and if there would be any fish there or anything like that. So I ended up taking advantage now because I don't know how much longer the water will be this high. This water is off the map high. It wasn't even depth weren't even registering on my chart. But it turned out it was fairly deep. I couldn't get too far back. It's really hard to navigate through all that junk. But I got far back enough and I caught a few bass. It was super fun. I'm glad I did it. I would have regretted if this had receded and I hadn't got out there and fished it, because you never know when it's going to be like this again. So we caught 3 bass today. Super fun bites. One of them I was fishing just a weightless Texas rig 5-inch Senko, and I threw it up under a tree into the shade, and as soon as it hit the water, the bass came up and jumped it, and you can see him boil at the top of the water. I hope I got it on camera. The big fish I caught, I think, was 2.5 pounds, but that one I was fishing the edges, the trees, and I saw the water behind me start to boil, a shad jumping all over the place, and then I saw a couple of bass boil over the surface chasing those. So I turned around and threw out my crankbait, and sure enough, nailed it. I think that was my biggest fish of the day. I got 3 total, one on a wacky worm, one on the Texas rig Senko, the first time I've caught a fish on a Texas rig Senko, weightless even. So yeah, that was fun. It was a super fun adventure. I'm glad, like I said, I'm glad I did it. I hope it comes out good on film. All right, see ya. All right, we got one. Finally. Thank you for breaking the skunk. That was cool. He ate this one and he came up for it. What is going on here? Did the fish get off? No, he's still. Oh, he's still on there. This is a good sized fish. I don't want to lose it. I got it off one branch, but it's wrapped around another, and it's much deeper. I got him. What's up, troublemaker? Can't believe I got you out of those bushes. So I saw these busting on top, chasing after shad. So I just boogied over here, cast this crankbait out. Got this puppy. Oh, what are you, a couple pounds? Two and a half pounds. I can't believe you came out of those branches. All right, go chill for a bit.